lots of different daisy chain patterns, but this one is probably my favorite. You could make a ring, a bracelet, or a necklace using this pattern. For this project, you will need white, yellow, and green seed beads, a beading needle, a clasp if you are making a bracelet, beading cord, fingernail polish or glue, and scissors. To get started making a ring, you want to cut a piece of beading cord about 18 inches long. If you're making a bracelet, you want to go more towards 36 inches long. Thread on a beading needle. I like the flexible wire type needles, especially for daisy chain type projects, but you could also use a regular straight needle as long as the eye is small enough to let those tiny beads slip over. Thread the needle and tie a slip knot at the end of your cord to keep the beads from rolling off. Leave a generous tail. Thread on 6 white seed beads to form the petals of your flower. Going to make a circle with these beads to form the flower. So to do that, send your needle back through the first bead that you strung on, but in the opposite direction. And when you pull that snug, it will create the petals of your flower. Next, thread on a single yellow bead for the center of your flower. Now this bead is going to go in the middle of that circle, and to do that we're going to send the thread through the 4th bead in the opposite direction that it's coming out of this first bead. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to go in the opposite direction. And as you pull that snug, that yellow bead is going to go into the center of the flower. And create your daisy. Next, thread on a single green seed bead. This will complete the pattern. Repeat until the chain is long enough to be a ring or a bracelet. Once the daisy chain is long enough to fit just snugly around your finger, end with a green seed bead, then tie the 2 ends together in a secure knot. Add a drop of clear fingernail polish or glue to the knot to make sure that it stays tied. For the last step, thread both tails onto the needle and pass it through 2 or 3 seed beads so that you don't cut the threads too close to the knot. Clip the threads as close to the seed bead as possible. And you're finished. To finish a bracelet, slide each part of the clasp onto the ends of the beading cord. Tie a secure knot on the cord between the seed beads and the clasp. Add a drop of clear nail polish or glue to the knot to make sure that it doesn't come undone. Put the needle back on the tail and run it down through 2 or 3 seed beads. Then clip off any extra cord and you're finished. I've got lots of ideas for daisy chain jewelry, other seed bead jewelry, and crafting ideas on my channel, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss an episode.